What is up, guys? It's your boy Taser300 and we are back with episode 2 of Titans SMP. In today's episode, I found one of the most OP villages for our survival and it was absolutely insane. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like to it. It helps me out a ton. Other than that, here we go. Oh guys,
Aaron.
Oh, shipwreck!
Look back,
Shipwreck! I found a shipwreck!
Here, guys.
Oh,
Okay,
I found a shipwreck. I can get iron.
Now I'm going. Hey,
Oh, this is a
oh
big
my God.
shipwreck.
Hey,
Do I need to?
Okay, I'm going to
Rego. Oh, I found Rego, I guess.
finally.
Oh,
Oh, Ruben.
Hello.
why are you pushing me? Some
guys.
Who's pushing me?
Buried treasure map and paper. Buried treasure map and paper.
Oh, buried treasure map. Where is it? Look, where is it?
Once I need to take a breath. Once I need to.
Food
dig
is
in
very
this area.
scarce.
Once I need to make.
Oh,
doors.
cow.
I need to make doors.
Guys, I'm not
Oh,
going
I
to
found
eat
it in
cow
the
the whole
village.
cave
I found
place.
it in the village.
take one,
That
two,
is
three.
savage, bro.
I had only 3.
Wait, whose house is this? I see a cobblestone.
Oh, we'll go down.
Hi.
Oh my
I think
God.
that was my former house.
That was mine, I guess.
Come, we'll go down.
Hey, where are you people? Where are you people?
I
We are in
am.
a ravine.
I'm trying to place a door. Okay.
Hey, just. Oh,
There you
Let's
go.
check
Full
out
iron
Ruben's
armor.
house.
Oh shit.
Please,
Nice house.
Please, where are you?
Here.
Please, do
Don't
you have
come
a
down,
pickaxe?
don't
Can you
come
give me a
down, there's a
pickaxe? Can
creeper.
you give me a
Do people have food, by the way?
I have a stone and
Yeah.
Food.
Pass me a stone. Pass me a
Oh
stone.
my. This. Oh wait, there.
I'm on now.
Oh no, I think this is the same chest. Yeah.
Did you kill it?
Yeah, I killed it.
Arey,
I'm
bhai.
very low. I'm very low.
I sure brought a
Come,
made a
what's
pickaxe.
eat something. Eat some food
I
or
mean, not
something.
pickaxe.
Hey,
Please
That's
tell me
who I
people
found.
left.
Who has food?
Yes, poisonous potatoes, coal, pumpkins. Okay, not a great
can I
chest,
get some
but
iron,
potatoes.
please?
Poisonous
Hey,
potatoes is
stop
what I
stealing
wanted
iron.
for secret.
You people
Why?
didn't even
Get
leave
some
one.
iron. Hey,
People
Gareth.
didn't.
Yeah, I don't have iron with me.
And great news is I have a village right here.
Clap hands.
She got
Get
an
some more
escape.
iron. Okay, we'll go up. Come.
Yeah, go after. I'm very low anyway.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, I know, even I need food.
It has a chemist.
Oh shit.
I got a chemist.
What did
It's
this?
a blacksmith. There's a blacksmith. Oh no, it's
Careful,
not a
careful,
blacksmith.
careful.
Damn it, it's not a blacksmith. What's called? Damn it. It looked like
Oh
one.
my God,
wait,
Kira, what
careful,
did you
careful.
do?
Yes, blast furnace.
Hey,
blast
you
furnace
pushed
though.
me.
Blast furnace.
careful.
Okay,
What do you mean?
Breathe.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
wait.
Yeah?
Guys, someone was at this village and died. I found someone's stuff here.
Oh, wait.
It's fine. Is it iron?
Yeah,
iron.
it's on
Yeah,
a.
it's mine.
It's top of a pole here.
You
It's
did.
iron, collect the iron.
Yeah, don't worry. I put it in the chest for you. I won't take your armor. Don't worry.
Where are you?
Once again, I'll tell you your coordinates once as soon as I put this in the chest. Let me get this on the chest.
These
then I'll tell the
villagers are
coordinates.
bothering.
Give me a chest.
I got up, guys. Get down, get up.
Where up?
Yeah, let's swim off.
One second, I collected your item.
I'm already on top.
okay.
Come on,
Oh, wow,
waiting
yeah,
for you
yeah.
guys.
Here.
guys, so slow, my
waiting
man.
for it.
What else did you have? You had
Austin,
Hello.
where's the chest?
Once again, let me put your items so that they don't despawn. Then I'll tell you. Wait.
Is it this?
Oh my God, I'm dying. I died. Oh my
Oh.
God.
I think we got
Oh
the
my
message that
God.
Puneet died before Puneet
Oh
actually died.
God.
Puneet.
Oh shit, that villager slept on my bed.
I think.
Don't worry, Kira to call you on this one.
I think I might be taking. Well, no, I think I might be
Thank
putting
God.
some extra.
Uh,
things
Kira,
in.
do
give
you
me
have
my
any
stuff,
food?
please.
Do you have any food?
Oh,
Do you have
Sean,
any food?
once again, we have to
Sean.
sleep
Wait.
first in
What?
the
You need a furnace. Gareth has
Oh,
furnace.
yeah, you have to
Guys.
smelt now. You have to smelt.
Oh no, I don't
Gareth
have
has
a furnace.
furnace.
No, I
Wait,
don't.
what? You had 2 furnace.
Yes,
No,
I
I
got
have
I
flint.
have
chest.
one. I have one.
I got flint.
I
I
have
got
one. I have
flint.
one. Don't
I
take.
need chest today and stuff, so.
Take.
Wait,
I
you
have
want
one.
iron?
Once I'm
Yeah,
killing
I
this
put
iron
one
golem.
Take, come here, come this side. Take.
Hey, I'm the poor guy here.
Oh my God! Look at the number of skeletons. Oh, it's just a
Are they-
group of skeletons.
And your
Yeah?
items. I put the coordinates in the chat.
Take
Yeah.
that. Done.
Technically, I'm really
Now
bad at
we'll
seeing
go.
the coordinates, but yes, okay. I'll try my
Hey,
Okay,
we have
come.
to, we have to be
We have to
able
go
to.
somewhere.
Kira, where's
We
my
have a
stuff?
brewing stand, which is
Yes,
good.
Kira.
Okay, this time
Hey,
I
you
took
got a
the.
full
Oh.
iron.
Yeah,
Look
you
at
have the
me.
furnace.
Okay, we have a lot of potatoes,
So I
which
took the
means the
furnace.
villager breeder will be a success.
Come here.
I have a blast furnace. I'm gonna set up in a house real quick.
Right.
Can anyone
Yes,
give me
Austin,
little
try to
more
talk to
iron?
us.
Yes.
I have 0 iron. Ask. Sure, this one, Sean.
I have 18 iron.
I have 3 iron with me.
Give me.
Where's my
Nice.
house?
Oh, there's a dog here. Do you have
Aaron, I
bones?
have
Oh,
your
oh,
pickaxe.
oh, there's a zombie. There's a zombie.
Have your
There's a zombie.
pickaxe.
Give me.
Here you go.
Yeah,
I
I'll
don't-
take it. I'm coming to take it.
It's all in a chest.
We don't have bones.
Dog here. Do you have bones? Anyone has
No,
bones?
no, we
I
don't
don't
have
have
bones.
bones.
Oh.
Unless we go
But I'm
creative.
telling one thing I am taking. Actually, wait.
How do we create
Anyways, yeah, we don't have proper food also.
I don't have enough.
How do we
cobble.
create bones?
I don't want to break the village.
Man, there are so many things inside.
I need to get
there's
two
a-
villagers safely in a boat over here.
Oh
Hey,
my
who all
god,
are
look at
these?
this.
Okay, we found the village. I found the village.
Wait.
Can
Wait,
someone tell me who all are in one team?
Wait, I think it's a
We
new
don't
village.
have teams right now.
Oh, it's a new village.
Yeah, no
Sean,
teams
wait,
right
I
now.
don't know where you guys are.
Hi.
Wait,
I-
wait, can't stay here, can't stay here.
Wait, Are you here for your?
There was an Enderman. There was this one. There was everything
There
there.
are two dogs.
I
or
died.
so whatever
What?
these are called.
Fine, man.
Okay.
Hey, I
You're lucky.
found Austin.
Where
Hi,
are you?
Austin.
Oh, Gareth,
I
hi.
don't see you, Sean.
I'm just that's Aaron's chair.
Where are you?
That's Aaron's and stuff.
Okay,
That's
found you,
Aaron's
found
stuff.
Ah, okay.
So literally, I'm
Okay.
the
Wait,
only
what?
one
You were
who's
there a
finding
second
single.
ago. Now you're not there.
Okay, wait.
Oh, yeah, found it, okay.
Okay,
Behind
my
you.
blast one.
Hey guys, I made a house. Don't steal from it, please.
Ruben. Kira is not giving me stuff.
Sean, where are you?
Kira, where are you? I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, found you.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Okay.
Wait, I
Thank
eat
God.
berries, but it doesn't help.
Once I'm gonna
Oh,
get
that's
bread.
good, yeah.
I'm gonna get bread for
Thanks.
myself. I need bread and food.
You gave?
Yes.
Yay.
Okay.
Oh my, I don't have sticks. Why do I have a bush with me?
Already stolen. Like my bed is gone.
Finally, I can get
Everything
hay
is gone.
Hey guys,
Oh,
those are
God.
my hay
This
bales.
is why I want to
I was
move.
coming to get those hay bales.
Sorry.
Well, I have bread, but
Must find first steak.
oh, it doesn't matter. Anyway, this is actually no. This is a village we can raid because the main village is the other one, right? No.
Whatever.
Aaron, do you want the coordinates to your chest?
Yeah, I already gave it
Oh.
to him. Don't
Oh, yeah,
take
he
anything.
gave-
Don't
he
take
gave it.
anything that says.
No, I didn't take
Actually,
anything.
once
I didn't
put
take
extra
anything.
coal in here. My- that was a nice.
There's a
I
problem.
know, I can just
Oh, stone cutter. We have a stone
offload all my shit there.
There's
offload
a
all my
damn
shit.
problem. There's a damn problem.
Sean, how much health do you
There's a
have?
damn.
I have
Oh,
12
Puneet,
bread.
Puneet, are you
Yeah?
next to me? Puneet, can you help me once?
I'm in that village.
Sean, do you have full health?
I'm gonna really quickly.
You're in that
Wait, I don't have
village.
food.
I
Yeah.
can
Oh,
see someone there.
I just collect bed from you. Take one bed. Take one bed with you all.
I'm near Ruben.
Yeah, okay, I'm coming up.
Aaron, where are you?
House.
I'm here.
Well, I'm
Yeah,
getting-
look
I have
behind
food.
you.
There you go. Look for it.
Hi.
Yeah,
Oh,
hi.
I
Oh,
found
sorry,
a blast
my
furnace, by the way.
mistake. Can you take me to Austin's this one village?
Oh my god.
I don't know where he is.
I put the coordinates in the chat, guys. So
Coordinates is in the chat, so I can also understand the coordinates.
Hey,
I'm
they
very
are my-
bad.
Okay, wait. I need food.
Okay,
One
guys, I have
second.
a big problem, major problem.
what?
I got stuck in the well. Lol.
Oh, just break your way. Once again, I'll
Just
break your
climb
way.
up, yeah.
Just
I
climb.
climbed out.
Okay.
Oh my god. Ah. How come that didn't work?
Oh, what are you trying to do?
Water bucket trick. I put the water.
Oh,
I
no,
fell down.
that's not an
It
easy thing
spawned
to do
somewhere else.
exactly. Take some.
Hey, I've done it many times successfully. Okay?
Okay,
don't
so
teach me.
chest
Oh no,
plate.
what happened?
Yes, I got a chest plate. I want to make a bucket badly somehow.
Oh my god, you trapped me. I got scared. I'm like, what happened?
No.
Oh god.
I fell.
I have 3 more iron.
Take some
I'll
block.
make an axe with that.
Thank you.
I needed cobblestone.
Sean, do you need food?
I need much more.
I have food. I have food.
What?
Trapped me.
Food. I don't need food.
What?
No, look here. I made a way for you.
There's a loom
You're
guys.
just trapped. You're just trapped.
Why
I
not?
made a
I
way
guess
for you.
we-
Like, come where are you?
Aaron.
I don't
no,
need-
no, never
yeah.
mind, never mind.
I have a bucket of water.
I was about to take some things in the chest and then I realized it's
Nahi.
I didn't take it. I
Yeah.
didn't take it. Don't worry.
Once
Yeah,
again-
I trust you. Don't worry.
I have extra
you-
stone tools if anyone wants them because I don't need them.
Do you, Aaron?
No, I
Really?
don't
need
want
stone.
tools.
Stone is trash.
Stones for
Oh,
losers.
Hey,
what's
there's
this?
a baby guy over here.
Wait, I got stolen, guys. Like, my whole house is gone. Like, nothing is inside.
Someone just walked in and yeeted this one
I think-
by.
Yeah.
Like
I should put a
you
sign.
just make a house, then you go to get some materials, come back, the whole house is not there. Like it just plays.
I wanna
gone.
ask you people one question. For the coordinates, you should say XYZ or
Sean.
blocks.
XYZ.
XYZ.
Like
Don't.
it's just upon your top.
Don't look at the
screen,
Y
right?
level.
There's
Don't
that.
look at the Y level. Only look at the X level.
Look at this guy. Look at
Don't.
this guy. Go away.
Who?
Stealing my
Come on.
house.
Oh.
Who?
A villager.
Villager.
You stole his house.
Sean, finally you heard
Yeah.
me.
That bandit
I've been
villager.
calling you since such a long
Name.
time.
Sure.
Yeah, the village
You
option
stole
of
it.
the.
Guys,
Come, I have 45. Do we need
Yeah, it's a lot of coal.
I have 64.
Not much.
It's fine.
Yeah.
it? Good, good. Come. Still we'll take.
I have like
Sorry, I'm a
Wait,
hold of
we'll go,
you.
we'll
I
go,
have
we'll go.
17 coal.
We'll go. I'll just
Okay, let's
get mine
go.
to one stack and then we'll go.
Wait,
I'm
you all
alive.
have food, right?
No, no one has food. That's the only difference. Only
I have 13 bread. Don't worry. I'll share.
People went to
Yeah,
the villages
you
and
have
don't have
food.
food. Seriously, come on, guys. I expected more from you.
There you go.
Bro, all the food is in your chest.
I give you bread. I give you bread.
No one touches that. No one touches
Exactly.
that.
You think we're
Just
touching
kidding.
Now we're
Just
talking.
kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Take it. Take it. Take it. Who cares?
Oh my
What
god.
Okay.
I mean, how much food is there? If there's like loads of food, then maybe you could take a little bit from it.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
I
we'll
found
go.
some
Come on,
pigs,
going.
luckily.
Just
Okay,
take
go
the
get
food.
it,
I
I'll
don't
get
care.
Yes.
Just take the food.
Yes, 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 yes.
What happened?
What?
Okay, Shanti,
Ray tower,
Shanti,
Ray
Shanti.
tower, Ray tower.
Oh, good.
Ray tower.
Oh, nice.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
put the coordinates. Put the coordinates.
1 second, there's a pillager after. There's a bannerman after me.
Oh, that's not good. Don't kill him.
Once again, I've gone. I went to get some
Hey,
pigs
what did
and
it-
I found that. Yes.
Wait,
Oh, Ray tower.
Guys,
what did
there
it?
are
How does it?
carrots
How does it
right
look?
there.
How does it look? How does it look?
Just
Okay,
a
I've taken the
massive
food.
tower.
Just search.
It's
Just search villager
It
outpost.
looks like a lady.
Ew,
It looks like a lady.
Austin.
I'm gonna put the
Austin, I
coordinates.
also
Come, we'll
found
go.
that, but there were many band like
Why?
the guys were.
Why do you not tell anything you do? This man's gonna find the stronghold one day and he's just gonna be like, oh,
I went from that way only.
Why are you
Oh my
flying?
Lag, lag.
That's so cool.
I'm not flying.
Okay, come, we'll go now.
480.
Oh my god, where are you going?
480 and minus.
Where am
wait,
I?
It's not.
So was laggy.
480 and
Yes,
Oh,
so
yeah,
is
yeah.
lagging.
guys, if someone could put
So
this
is
on a
lagging.
sign or something, we need to. This is very important. 350.
Why can't I sprint?
Wait,
Maybe.
Oh, I found a dog, but no bone.
Ruben, Puneet, we'll go together.
Yeah.
There's a pillager
Guys,
just charging
I found
at
a
me.
bee.
Oh,
I
hi,
found a
Puni.
bee.
Hi,
Yay.
Ruben. Hi, Ruben. I
Hi.
can see you.
Hi,
Oh boy.
hi.
Oh boy. Okay, I have to
Wait,
fight
Gareth,
this pillager.
Where are you? Where are you?
Lag.
I'm in Ruben's village.
Oh, then I can also come and see you. But can you take me to my village? Can you take to the other village, please?
Okay, I killed a pillager. I killed
I'm
a
Where are
pillager.
you? Where are you?
children.
I am in the
I'm near
mountains.
the
What's going
Ray
on in
tower.
China? He like died twice.
Oh
or
my
something.
god, that's
I
Wait,
know.
Aaron, I thought you
China
already
just
left,
keeps
so I left. Crazy.
once I'm trying to
Yes.
look.
China's
killing
gaming PC is helping him a lot, dude.
China has a gaming PC?
Uh,
Yeah, then.
I didn't know that. Anyways,
but this
I'm
village
actually
is
going.
looted.
Oh my, there's one with a multi-shot. Everyone's with a multi-shot. Oh boy, they're shooting me. I don't want to die. Oh, they're everywhere. I'm looking for a
Okay.
village, a close-up
sorry for
Where,
village.
is that? Where are you? I can't see you at all.
Are you near the Ray Tower?
Sean, where are you? I'm near the
We are
bell.
in the village itself.
Hey, Sean,
Oh.
now only we.
Ruben wrote here. Ruben's house, please don't steal. The thieves will just. Oh, there's a cat.
Yeah,
on
with that
Ruben's bed.
everybody.
That's a
Wait,
okay.
Hey, come on, Rego. You made the cat to stand and he's here. Why? Why?
Oh, that could be a prank.
Bye.
That could be a.
I have to come back
we
up
could
and put
consider
him
that a
back.
prank.
I left.
Does anyone
It's
has
not a
a
crime, but I have to again come back and put him back. No.
Yeah, and then
anyone,
that's the
anyone
point of a
has
prank.
anyone has string?
That's the point of a prank.
Don't do that again, please.
Okay, I won't do that again.
Oh,
Okay.
guys.
I left it.
I can confirm kind of
Yeah.
that there's no.
Anybody has a little more iron?
And I can confirm that Austin just
Or
died.
what?
Iron.
I
Garrett,
didn't
iron.
die. What do you mean? I
No,
didn't
no
die?
iron with me.
Guys,
Okay,
anyone
I
has
think we'll go
diamond?
exploring.
Diamond?
Oh, wait,
Anyone
Wait,
has
wait, I
diamond?
see
Guys.
another house.
Yes, I found another village. I found a village and it's closer, I think, to the pillager tower.
Wait, do you
Guys,
people
guys.
have an
Unless it's
diamond?
our village, I'm not sure about that. Let me check. It is, yeah, it's our village. Never mind. It's our
Wait,
Someone
who
village.
made a
Garrett.
stonehouse?
It's our village.
Who
Okay.
made a
I don't know.
stonehouse
It's empty. It's empty. There's
guys,
no point
guys,
of us going there.
So,
Come, we'll go this
guys,
way.
come to the
Okay,
village
come.
where
Gareth,
Aaron
come.
was. This is going to be our village now because it's close to the Ray Tower.
Which I think I'm here. That is 666.
Wait.
Yeah.
Minus
Austin,
two.
you're
I
No,
can
not
you
that
tell
one.
me-
Not that one. Not
Hey,
that one.
Hey, can you tell this one? Can you tell the coordinates?
Yeah,
Okay,
coordinates of the
this
village.
one.
Ah,
I'll
look,
tell.
I'm here.
Oh, Puneet's here. Yeah, this one. Over there, this side, Puneet, where I'm looking, right? Over there is a Ray Tower.
Hey, tell the
Okay.
coordinates fast.
Oh, you don't know the coordinates?
please.
Um,
No, I.
570 and 220.
Do we have to take the boat again?
Okay,
No,
570.
no.
no.
Minus 220. Minus 220. 570 and minus
Understood.
220.
Send it on chat. Send it on chat.
Come on, let's go.
This is gonna be a public village now, okay?
Wait a minute, even I'm coming to the village. Just wait. 5 minutes. 520.
I'm-
Okay, 520.
You guys do not know how lucky we are.
Where are you people?
Huh?
How
I
many
know,
villages have
right?
we
This
found
seed is
also?
OP.
I
This
think
seed
is
is
OP.
Sean.
We
I
are
don't
so
see you.
goddamn lucky.
Okay, so I saw
Me?
you. I saw you. Come.
This is so
To be honest, it is more fun if we did everything like by ourselves.
Oh, now he changed his
Here-
mind.
But
Yeah.
Now the guy changed his
Now
mind.
you're changing your words.
Listen,
Now you're
No,
changing.
no, not like that. I'm saying as in if we instead of all the extra villages, we ourselves went and found each village. I'm not saying like we should
Yeah.
continue playing as a group itself. Like I'm
Guys,
saying if the map was a bit harder.
So I did do.
I'm
there's
gonna
a
take the
bit more
baby.
fun. Who took all the beds? Who took all the beds? I'm gonna be mad.
I
this
I took all beds.
Very
I'm
smart.
Where are you?
once I think I left
Right
my
here.
food. I left my food at the
Oh, okay. What?
We have a butcher.
Oh guys, I lost you. No, not
Wait. Okay, come on. Okay, come.
I will build
right.
a
Come.
railway track or something all the way to the village rate tower.
Let's get it going.
That is my job.
Gareth, wrong way.
Should I tell you something why I was dying again and again?
Well,
Come. Come. Eh,
So we're gonna find our own village. I think that's our plan. I think.
oh, why you want to find your own village? We have a raid tower here, Sean.
We'll come back
Yeah,
there for
and
raids and stuff.
Oh yeah, it's
It's-
bro, it's a
where are you?
straight
Sean,
line.
where are you?
It's a straight line.
Come, get in the boat. No,
who do we blame?
Why is Puneet hitting me?
Yourself. You were too fast.
Okay, Aaron, what's going on
How
with
about
you?
Wait, wait. Aaron drowned?
Yeah.
He drowned to death.
How
I was.
why what?
The
Okay,
only
okay.
message I didn't get till now.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, I landed the tree, but you didn't.
I went to water bucket up there. Oh.
Hey, and you left me, dropped me down.
Hey.
Okay, never mind.
We can never die.
Okay. You people.
Come.
Guys, I'm
Hey,
making.
where is Sean? Where did he go? Oh, you're. How do you
Guys,
get pulled?
should I make a public
Okay.
mine in the
Guys, how do you put dynamic light?
Hey, we'll go through the river, right? It's easier. Oh, no.
I'm gonna go look
God,
for some
game's
caves.
lagging.
Survived that?
I need.
Dynamic light.
I'm going looking for
Hey,
some caves.
we'll
I
go
need,
through the
like-
boat. Come.
Okay, wait, coming.
Sean,
Like
where are
it.
you?
Actually, there was a village near the pillager tower. Like I mean a cave,
Who's
not a
coming
village.
on
I think I have night vision now. I have night vision now.
Night vision.
Who's coming with me?
Forest Maran.
Hey, wrong side.
That's not what dynamic light
I'm here.
does.
Wow, such a big river. This is the end of it. Get out.
Oh yeah.
There's Ruben. I can't find Ruben.
I found a
I
mushroom.
am in the depths of the world.
What the heck? I
Mining
found
for
a
something.
How
very
can you be
valuable.
in the depth of the world?
guide. I
Hey,
found a
screw up.
22.
I found a mushroom in a cave, by the way. It's just what?
So, I've
It's
seen so
very-
many mushrooms in a cave.
Let's go.
Hey, cave.
Cave?
Hey, iron.
This cave here? Okay.
Oh, this cave sucks. This
Come
one?
straight, you'll find it.
Guys, I'm going to HB for a while. and
Hey, this is where we
explore
started. This is where we
Oh,
started.
the town. Sean are coming now.
Yeah, we're coming.
Oh,
Okay, come.
there's a zombie with the golden.
Ruben, do you want to come?
Nope, I'm not coming.
No,
I
you
may
have to
come
give. I
later.
had to give you 50k.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my!
Puneet,
Oh,
where are
yeah,
you?
yeah.
Tell me.
I'm
Where
at the
are you
same
people?
village.
Okay, you're going down. now.
Where?
Oh.
Which village?
Yes, a zombie
Oh.
dropped a
Why is
potato.
there a boat down?
Which Austin found. Your
I found a
your
spawner!
chest is
I
also
found a
here.
spawner! I found a spawner!
Put it,
I found a
put it.
zombie
Which spawner?
spawner!
Which spawner?
Zombie
Which
spawner!
Yeah.
I found a zombie spawner!
Spider spawner.
Can you help me to take me to that
Zombie.
village, please?
I
Come
found a
and go
zombie.
Austin, which spawner?
Okay,
Zombie,
I'll
zombie,
bring all
zombie.
that stuff.
Zombie
Should I bring
spawner.
all
Send the
that stuff?
coordinates.
Yeah.
coordinates.
I'm in that
With
old
the
It's
Y,
right
with the
next
Y.
to the village. It's right next to the village.
Which village?
The other village, the one I sent coordinates to. Once I had to block it up. Once let me block it up first, then I'll send.
Okay.
Do you want that wooden pick and all?
That's fine. You can pick it. Just yeah.
Once I found.
Okay, I'm gonna bring like
Sean,
my
now
inventory.
stand up here and break
Oh
it.
yeah. I
It's
forgot.
very
Oh,
No
yes.
need. Wooden pick and all. No need. Wooden
Diamond
pick and
horse
all.
armor.
What's the
Oh, diamond.
Saddle! Saddle, yes!
Guys,
I
please
found a
sleep.
saddle and string.
Sleep. Wait.
I found
What?
saddle and a string.
I
Yeah.
have 2 beds.
I can get a horse and a zombie spawner,
I
guys.
can make a third bed. Wait.
How are you finding all that already?
I was going into a cave to find iron.
Oh my god.
Guys, wanna? It's
Okay.
It's
What's the coordinate of that village? Aaron, what's the coordinate of that village?
646
people?
and
Right here.
146.
About behind you,
What?
Smaran.
6
That's
6
it,
okay.
see?
646 and 146.
Hey, do we sleep?
Tell me when to sleep, Ruben.
It's not yet night.
Yeah, it's already night.
Yeah, we'll sleep at 9 o'clock.
Now
it is
this is not
6:30.
Puneet. There's no timing in this. You
There's
don't
a
even
timing
it.
there. There's a timing there.
Oh my
Austin, you
god.
never
you
knew
doing?
that.
We can sleep. We can sleep.
I should probably set
Sean,
my
they're all yours.
spawn. I should
Sleep.
probably set my spawn.
Sleep.
Who's at the village right
Get
now?
ready.
Is it day?
Who's at the village right
Is
now?
it
go
day?
She mine for diamonds now?
It is
No.
day, it is day, it is
Who
day.
is at the village right now? I have to show you this. I don't care if you want to know. I have to show
Come.
you this.
Eternal
Where are you
power
guys?
company. I'm up
Where?
here.
Okay. What about West, Sean?
Guys,
Sean,
where are you?
Okay, even
I'm down here.
Who is at the
But
village
he
right
came
now?
to the
Come
village.
first.
He came to the village.
I'm in the village.
Like the
Wait,
old.
is that? I think we are in the same village.
Oh, there's a
I'm mining for
creeper.
diamonds
Put in
now.
that hole and get.
Why are you mine? Okay, fine, I'll help you mine. We'll just go in different directions, okay? Gareth, come down.
Yeah.
Gareth,
Okay.
Gareth,
Who's at the village?
Gareth,
Yeah.
come
What?
down.
And
I'm
your
already
stuff
down.
is still here, by the way. Your stuff
Okay,
is still
cool.
here.
I'm in HB right
Which way are
now.
you going?
Lower and lower.
Seed.
No, not that way. Go in the other direction. Don't go inside my phone.
What do they mean by legacy? So what is this? Oh, okay.
Oh, legacy
Yeah,
server.
how
many
Oh,
people?
Legacy server. Like that's.
Wait,
Oh
wait,
my
uh,
god,
I come
man.
in minutes.
Austin, tell me the coordinates.
Oh,
of that
oh
village.
my.
580 and
I'm in a
220.
cave.
Minus 220. 580 and minus
Oh,
Wait,
220.
I'm coming, Sean.
No. Okay.
IATN?
Marin to the
What?
rescue.
Next door.
This is
Redstone.
insane. I found a lava pool.
So did I.
Huh?
There's
you
lava,
didn't go in the
redstone,
nether, I'm going in
everything over
nether.
here. It's like paradise. Hey, who has an iron pickaxe?
Wait, should you go to the nether?
I'm going.
Later.
I'm going.
I just load the nether up. You might get left.
Hey, do you people even realize that our... Where are people?
What?
Okay.
Where are you guys? I can't
We
see.
go... How come you can't see us, Gareth? We're like right in front of you. Over here.
Really?
Oh god, I hate this.
Gareth,
Oh,
we're
boy.
right in
I
front of
found
you.
Place the iron in this. Place the iron in this. Oh wait. Okay, wait.
Okay, I'm going in nether, by the way. Yeah.
Hey, there's no lapis.
Okay, will it even happen?
1, 2, 3. This here. This here.
Okay.
And then.
Guys,
Oh yes! Let's go
Guys.
finally.
listen.
What?
What happened?
Gareth,
You
What
guys
happened?
will know now. You guys will know now.
I'm.
Oh.
And there we go.
Yo, he's been
Let's
mining.
go.
Oh, not bad.
Sean,
And I
Diamonds?
guess it's a
Yeah,
big
I'm making
one.
another portal.
I'm also
What?
making a leather portal right now.
Really want to know where. I'm so excited for that village, but I want to know where is that village.
you had a flint and steel?
Wait. I think I have one.
Oh,
Alright.
Yeah, you do.
Gareth.
I don't have.
Oh, I
My nether portal though, I don't have flint and steel. Oh, where did my gravel go? I think I left my gravel behind, damn it. Oh, I found a cave as
Oh wait. I'm out of food.
where are you? I told him to join Zoom.
well. Oh my god. Come on, give me flint. Oh, I got flint. Do I have iron? I don't have iron, damn it.
Mission for today is if you want.
Wait, Smaran, pass me the iron.
I
Oh wait,
don't
do
have
you need
iron.
armor?
Wait. Yeah,
Do you make armor?
We need gold.
Gold?
Digging
No,
some
I'll make a
gold.
gold farm later, don't worry.
Gold
have
farm.
one
Like what?
7 diamonds.
Super slow gold
I've got
farms.
one gold.
Hey, I've made gold farms, okay? I know what I'm doing. Oh my, there's a skeleton aimbotting me.
Oh no way! I found more.
That's not.
Are
That's
you
not
kidding
good,
me?
to
This
be fair.
is. I'm claiming these diamonds. I'm placing a sign and claiming these. No one might watch you know.
Oh, we will get diamonds eventually, all of us, so it doesn't matter much.
Come.
Okay, fine. I'm going to the Nether, guys.
Wait for me, Sean.
I'm gonna
Sean,
go
I'm
in
coming.
soon. Once I find iron. There's
I'm
no
looking
iron.
Bully, they're still there.
There's no iron.
No, I'm
Did I-
playing HB. I'm in HB right now.
Yeah, in HP now. Okay.
Yeah.
I came to the village.
I should
What
have
time are you
placed
there?
Where's my stuff?
wood.
Where's my chest?
Oh, I have to show iron. Never mind. I may not go, but just because I want to show
Okay, come,
iron.
let's go, guys.
Ruben is there or no?
I'm there. I just joined.
I need iron.
Where are you?
Oh, I found diamonds. That too, 2 wins.
Iron, you have extra
Where
iron.
are you? Where are you?
I mean, in the village only where which shine I found.
Iron?
Like I made my house there and I made a mine. And I made a mine.
Need,
No,
we need gold for
Sean,
now.
Ruben, you can come to this village, right? This is gonna be the community village.
Come, we'll go, Sean.
The same
Oh,
village,
there's iron.
600.
And you got your
But
items?
yeah.
No.
Here, come here. There's a chest right here.
Gold,
What
gold.
is this?
Let's go. This is actually a pretty big way.
Who? Guys, who touched this chest over
Sean.
here?
Don't we need
Put
an iron
my
pickaxe to get
chest.
gold?
Who? Guys, who touched the
Puneet.
chest over here?
Don't we need an iron pickaxe to get gold?
Guys,
Puneet.
Yeah, I have an iron pickaxe. Do you?
Puneet.
Oh, no, I don't.
Guys, someone
never mind,
violated
it's
rules.
okay.
Someone violated rules.
Actually,
I don't Puneet.
We have violation of rules. Someone violated.
Sean,
Someone
wait,
stole
I'm
Aaron's
doing
stuff.
some work
What
over
happened?
there.
Someone stole Aaron's
Yeah.
item.
Puneet, you have my stuff, right?
Do you have any more iron?
I kept it in there.
Oh.
Wait,
I
yeah,
only
I
one.
have.
I have one
Listen, I have Aaron
English.
stuff.
Oh, then
One
why
iron
did you
ingot.
go? Why did you take it?
I
Like,
told
I
him
was
to take
coming
it.
to.
Okay, that's
yeah.
okay. That's your fault, and you deserve this. you deserve this completely.
You guys didn't tell me. I'm playing in HB. Sean, you're coming.
yeah, okay, I'll be leaving. I'm staying in the Nether.
Puneet, can you give me
Smaller, I'm going,
can you give
okay?
my stuff?
Where
Can
are
please
you?
give my
Are you in that
stuff? I'm
same
in the
village?
I had to-
No, I'm in the
Okay, wait,
I'm in the
more
village
gold
where my
here.
chest was.
Yeah, we'll come in
Don't leave yet.
2 minutes.
There's gold.
Please ignore my stuff.
I can't find.
I remember.
Nah,
stuff
I'm
is
leaving
safe,
now,
don't
so
worry.
yeah.
I found the huge cave, by the way.
You
Oh, no. Sean,
No,
Sean, wait,
don't
no,
die.
I'm coming.
don't die. Okay.
Oh, I found iron.
So
Beautiful.
yeah,
I found much
Okay, I'm
more
going,
iron.
Wait,
guys.
I'm
bye.
coming with you.
Wait,
I'll come
let's
with you.
wait.
God.
Hero
Oh,
Prime. Going to Hero Prime.
What?
Apollo.
I'm
Wait,
leaving
I
the
can't
game.
find my
I'm leaving this. I'm leaving this server now.
But now, are you
Why?
coming back?
I'm leaving this
Wait, I
server.
can't
Right?
find my house. What the hell?
Sean, come, we'll go.
The gold that increases in this.
Oh my god, now VIPs can also nick. What the hell?
Sean.
Why can you nick?
Okay,
Why would
going
you
back.
need that?
Yeah, Nether.
Yes. Okay.
Wait,
And
where are you
once you go to
going?
the overworld,
Guys, I
right,
found
exit
some
mode, right?
diamonds and I left it for using fortune. So please don't mind it.
For-
I marked it with signs
Okay.
and all.
Sean,
So I
where are
have
you
to
going?
come and mine it.
So yeah, bye. I'm leaving this server.
Why? Where are you going?
Wait, what the hell? Where is
I'm going to
my
enter the server.
Where are you? Where?
Why?
Is there?
Come.
Oh,
Is that a public one?
beautiful. I'm gonna go to the
Yeah,
nether,
it's a
guys.
public one.
I'm gonna go to the nether.
My beautiful house.
Oh,
Actually, like,
Oh, yo.
my friend, like, claimed
Where are you?
Puneet, the
our
game.
friend.
Austin.
Yeah?
Austin,
Yeah?
can you find me?
Come to the coordinates now.
Where are the coordinates?
580
wait.
and minus 220.
How do I come?
Oh, so you're very
Check
close.
the coordinates on F3. F3, there's XYZ, right? Check those coordinates.
Bro, Ruben, where are you?
Optima is kind of weird.
Bro, I'm in my mind, dude. Like behind my house, there should be a mine.
I'm going through the
Down and
nether.
I'll find it.
Hi, Sean.
It's like a
Gareth?
wood,
Gareth.
like a
hey,
wooden.
you're tier 3 now?
He left
You're tier
me.
3? Okay.
Yeah. I can buy tier 5 also.
I'm going to the nether.
Sean,
I'm going to the nether.
Oh.
I can buy tier 5.
Ruben, do you have a
Oh,
cat?
okay. Where? Oh, there you
This is
are.
my beautiful skyscraper. Look at this
Sean,
beauty.
I mean, Austin.
Yeah?
Oh,
You have
Austin.
trust, right?
Yeah?
I'm
Yeah?
trust, yeah.
Yes, Marin.
What
Still
are the
like
coordinates?
a little.
580 and 580
okay.
and minus 220.
This is our main lobby. This is my main lobby. Like I keep people waiting here. Come on in, wear my armor.
So no fortress, so it's not exactly perfect, but it's better.
How do I
Oh, I'm in
Best.
How do
the
we say?
ocean. That's why.
Wait, you're netherite armor.
I think
I
I think
there is a
unranked
mine there.
people are not allowed to. That is
Guys,
bad.
it's night.
Sleep, everybody.
I'm in the nether, so you
Sean,
guys
you
can-
there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Guys,
Okay,
please
now
don't
we're going to
mind
the
my
other
diamonds,
floor.
I'm telling
I'm in the nether, I'm in the nether.
Okay.
Everybody
I
sleep.
still need to design it. Like I can have so many ideas.
I'm gonna go back.
When you put scaffolding. Oh wait, it's another one.
I didn't put it like the previous. Oh, here, down.